Hi there, welcome to Preston Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi RS3 Sportback Sport Edition, finished in Panther Black Crystal Effect paint. This car comes with the LED lighting interior package, the storage package and the black styling package. Moving closer to the car, you can see it's fitted with the LED headlights with the dynamic rear indicators. And down towards the wheels, these are the 19-inch alloy wheels in the 5-arm blade design. As we go into the car, these are the heated front sport seats finished in the leather with the RS logo embossed on them. And onto the dashboard, this car comes with the Audi virtual cockpit where you can change your display screen and navigate your way through it. This is also the RS specific display screen. You also have your retractable screen where you can use your MMI infotainment system, navigation system plus, MMI radio, Audi smartphone interface, Bluetooth interface and Audi Connect. This car does come with the dual zone electronic climate control, parking system plus, cruise control, Audi Drive Select, light and rain sensors and the Bang & Olufsen sound system. You also have a panoramic glass sunroof in this car. As we move to the back of the car, you can see the rear windows are fitted with the privacy glass. And as we go into the boots, you have 335 litres of boot space in this car, and when the 60/40 seats are put down, you have 1,175 litres of boot space. In the back, the rear seats are fitted in the same leather, and you have all of your ISOFIX child seat mounting points in the car. So for more information on this car, please give us a call on 01772 730000. Thank you for watching.